Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Softr pages after broken blocks or embeds step by step clearly. To begin restoring your Softr pages after encountering broken blocks or embeds, first, log into your Softr account. Navigate to the project dashboard where your affected pages are listed. Identify the page that contains the broken blocks or embeds. Click on the page to open the editing environment. Examine the sections of the page to locate any broken blocks. Broken blocks are typically marked with an error message or a visual indicator. Once you identify the broken block, click on it to open its settings. Review the settings to determine the cause of the issue. If it relates to a missing or inaccessible source, you may need to update the embed link. For blocks that require data inputs, ensure that all necessary information is still intact. If you find any missing links or data, update them and save the changes. In some cases, you may need to remove the broken block altogether. To do this, click on the block and select the delete option. After removing a broken block, consider replacing it with a similar block from the block library. Access the block library by clicking on the Add Block button. Look for a suitable alternative and drag it into the desired location on your page. Once you add a new block, make sure to configure its settings according to your needs. Preview the changes by clicking on the Preview button located in the top right corner. Check to see if everything is displaying correctly, without any broken blocks. When you are satisfied with the preview, save your changes. Finally, publish the page to make the updates live. Review the live page to ensure all blocks and embeds are functioning properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.